Home remedies for cough. Are you tired of that persistent cough? Don't let it control your life. Discover the power of home remedies. Honey and lemon tea can soothe your throat, reducing irritation. Steam inhalation can also help. Breathe in hot, moist air to loosen mucus and relieve congestion. Peppermint tea's menthol can soothe your throat and break up mucus. Ginger is another great option. It's an anti-inflammatory that can ease your cough. Remember, these remedies should complement, not replace, medical advice. If your cough persists, see a doctor.